best way to buy Bitcoin with PayPal. It seems like the price of Bitcoin will never stop, with the price of Bitcoin rising almost every day. If you're thinking about getting in on Bitcoin and investing yourself, this video is the guide for you. If you would rather get started quickly, because this is just a test run for you, there is another way to do so. Buying Bitcoin with PayPal through an Android app is probably the most efficient way to get started in Bitcoin quickly, and that's what I want to show you in this video. This app is easy to acquire and set up in a matter of minutes, and the application will let you buy Bitcoins right from your Android smartphone. There are other examples of Bitcoin exchanges, but this app is the most easy to use with less fee. So I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with this app step by step. If you're not using Android, check out our video on how to buy Bitcoin through a website. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the first link in the description below to download the app from Google Play. After you've downloaded it, open the app and sign up with your details, and you'll see your account dashboard like this. As you can see, the app Bitcoin available here. You can easily send and receive your Bitcoin to any wallet with a 0% transaction fee. Everything is completely free, unlike most popular platforms. So let's move to step 2. Once you're on your dashboard like this, you will need to click on this buy. When the buy button opens, as you can see here, this one is what you want to buy, and this one is how you want to pay for it. Here we want to buy Bitcoin, so I select Bitcoin. I want to pay with US dollars, so let me select this. As you can see, this is the exchange rate. Type the amount you want to pay, and you will see the amount you're going to receive from here. So after you confirm everything, click on this exchange button here. This pop-up will share what you're purchasing and more information about your purchase. So click at this I confirm button. The last step, this step is where you're going to log into your PayPal account and make the purchase. After that, you can send your Bitcoin to any other wallet of your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos like this.